3D scanning is ideal for large non-conforming structures like refineries where precision and reliability are crucial. Structural stress, potential deformations and corrosion can pose serious safety risks and lead to costly downtime. That's why staying ahead of these challenges is critical. 3D laser scanning is an advanced solution that transforms how refineries are inspected, maintained, and retrofitted. With millimeter-level accuracy, 3D laser scanning captures millions of data points across even the most complex structures in a fraction of the time compared to traditional methods. This means refinery owners can quickly identify weak points, detect corrosion, and measure deformations without interrupting operations. Capture the scale of towering tanks to intricate pipe runs, nothing is missed. Safety is a top priority in refineries, and 3D scanning plays a vital role in ensuring it. For hard-to-reach areas such as high tanks or elevated pipe runs, 3D scans solve the need for manual inspections without disrupting operations. Refinery owners and operators can make informed decisions without risking personal safety. Beyond measurements, our platform provides 360 photos integrated into the 3D scans, allowing stakeholders to conduct virtual walkthroughs from wherever. These photos are more than just a visual extra. Stakeholders can visually inspect for changes such as new cracks or surface deterioration by comparing current photos to previous ones. This helps ensure issues are addressed before they escalate. With LARKI's intuitive web app, you can remotely view detailed 3D scans and access critical measurements instantly. It's all about giving refinery owners and stakeholders peace of mind, knowing their assets are monitored and maintained with precision. At LARKI, we're committed to delivering technology that enhances safety, reduces downtime, and streamlines operations. By leveraging 3D scanning, refineries can move confidently into the future, optimizing safety, performance, and reliability every step of the way.